really like this question. It's question 14. It's only in the extension book. So if you're an advanced student looking for question 14 from advanced, that's, oh, sorry, Henry. Sorry, I just moved my cat accidentally. That's in the next video. So question 14 for extension, we're deciding whether these functions are odd, even, or neither. And don't forget to test whether they're odd. We sub in minus x. So we know f of x equals the absolute value of x plus 1. F of minus x, well, we sub in minus x and it's the absolute value of minus x plus 1, which is just x plus 1. Now, f of positive x, f of positive x, there we go, came out as x plus 1 as well. So f of negative x equals f of x, because the absolute value gets rid of it, the negative. Okay, for b, we've got, oh, this one's interesting. F of x equals the absolute value of x plus x. Now, if x is positive, then that's just x plus x equals 2x. If x is negative, then that's the absolute value of negative x plus negative x, which is, well, the absolute value of negative x is just x, take x, which is 0. So it doesn't equal f of x, it doesn't equal minus f of x, so it's neither. Okay, 14c, we've got x times the absolute value of x, so f of x equals x times the absolute value of x, which if it's positive, then it's just x times x, which is x squared. But if we chuck in a negative x, then it's x times the absolute value of negative x, which, well, comes, but this one's negative x times the absolute value. So this is negative x times x, which gives me negative x squared, which is negative of what we had to start with. So therefore it's odd. Last one, I'm going to squidge these up a bit. So I can fit D next to it. Okay, we've got f of x equals the absolute value of x cubed, take x. Which, if x is positive, then that's going to be positive. Oh, that's a really interesting one. Because if x is like less than 1, so if x was a half or x was a quarter or something, that would come out as negative. I'm currently cheating by looking at the answers. I want to see what they want us to do. So 14. Sorry, this is taking so long. I can't scroll quickly because I always skip it. So, instead of trying to expand that one and get rid of the absolute value, I'm going to just chuck in f of negative x straight away. Because that's the absolute value of negative x cubed, take negative x, yeah? Which gives me the absolute value of, well, x cubed plus x. So I'd say neither. I think I disagree with the book. The book is telling me something completely different. I disagree with the book. I'd say neither.